Biofiltration water treatment. Environmental solution. Stopping pollution is the best solution.
Biofiltration is an air pollution control technology which utilizes microorganisms to biologically degrade odors and other volatile air pollutants contained in waste air streams. The microorganisms exist on the surface and in a thin water film surrounding the surface of the biofilter material.
Environmental justice issues affecting constituents living near riverside biofiltration water treatment. Thousands have lived without love but not one without water, wrote by a British poet W.H. Auden. Despite the fact that we all know how important water is for life, we continue to waste it. Approximately 80% of our world's wastewater is discharged back into the environment, largely untreated, damaging rivers, lakes, and seas. As the world's population grows, so does pollution. Garbage is everywhere, impacting water, air, land, and people. Rivers are commonly used as a garbage disposal location for domestic and industrial waste in impoverished and emerging countries. According to some experts, the trash contains a variety of toxins that contribute to the poor and quality of river water. Poor water quality has an impact on both human health and animal life. Biofiltration is a method of air pollution control that employs microorganisms to biologically break down smells and other volatile air pollutants in waste air streams. The microorganisms live on the surface of biofilter materials and in a thin water film that surrounds it.
Citizens who live near the rivers struggles in polluted water of rivers. They usually get water in the river to wash their clothes, to take a bath, or wear something to drink. To lessen their burden in the water bills and risking polluted river, the engineers came up with a project that filters the contaminated water for them to have a safe drinking water or to use a purified water. The aim of the engineers in building the technology near riverside, which is the biofiltration water treatment, is to have an environmental justice to those people that are affected by the issue of the pollutions.
Objective. This project aims to seek environmental justice for those constituents living near riverside. It aims to install biofiltration wastewater treatment, specifically to treat drinking water, to provide safe drinking water, to minimize disease caused by contamination, and to lessen the expenses of water bill. This project is beneficial to the health of constituents who live and has water sources near rivers and to the community.
Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Izumi Hechanova and I'm the environmental consultant of the project Environmental Justice Issues Affecting Constituents Living Near Riverside through Biofiltration Water Treatment. My role will involve providing expert advisory and assessment services to this project with the aim of minimizing or eliminating environmental damage. It is my responsibilities to develop conceptual models, which involves identifications and considerations of potential contaminations and damage, legislative issues for this project, and maintain an awareness of how legislation impacts projects. This project will help those individuals who's living near riverside because biofiltration is a common and cost-effective water treatment process that's able to remove most contaminants, improve water stability, and control odors and taste that will be safe to drink or use by those individuals.
Hi, I am Engineer Noreen Bernardo Gagantin, and I am the Technical Supervisor of Environmental Projects. My responsibility in this project is to create and deliver project instructions to all my team members. It is my duty to supervise my members in completing our goals in this project to provide an environmental technology which is biofilter. Biofiltration process will help our constituents living near riversides to have safe water to drink. It is usable for the development of environmental systems and also a big help for the health of the people.
Hi, I am Engineer Charmy Gonzalez, the Environmental Project Manager in this project. As an Environmental Project Manager, I work on construction, waste management, and engineering projects with the goal of assessing the ecological impact of the project and reporting it to the relevant regulatory agencies. In this project, my role is to preparing reports and work plans, performing site investigations, and collecting, processing, and evaluating data. My duties involve suggesting and investigating methods for mitigating environmental impact and developing best practices.
Hi, I am Engineer Kisabel Oherka and I am the Waste Treatment Engineer in this project. My duties and responsibilities is to design and supervise the construction of water supply and water treatment, organize and manage waste disposal, collection and recycling facilities. I am the one responsible for the provision of having cleanliness in water and even in the surroundings.
Hi, I'm Engineer Natasha Yvonne Gakuma. I am the public health engineer of this project, and I am responsible for designing tools and systems or develop procedures that help prevent others from being sick or injured. Also to inspect, analyze, and develop plans for health programs and improving the facility, and to educate the people about health concepts and safety measures, particularly in implementing and maintaining water supply schemes for adequate, safe drinking water supply to constituents living near riverside, and sanitation schemes to provide sanitary facility by using appropriate low-cost technology in the community.
The process implementation. The long-term process of the implementation of the biofiltration water treatment near the constituents of Riverside. Everyone in the engineering team are the one who handle the constructions of the project and bringing this project, which is the biofiltration, to have water sources near rivers and to have a community that brings safety to life.
If the project will be abandoned or demolished in the future, our engineering team will be contacted, who are the environmental experts. Our environmental technical supervisor manager and waste treatment manager are the one to handle the disposal of facilities, and the demolition and closure will be handled by our environmental consultant engineer. For the process of conception, it involves planning and designing and the procurement. The project manager and the technical supervisor manager are the one mainly responsible for planning and designing of the treatment plan. And the procurement, the environmental consultant engineer, is the one responsible for obtaining all of the materials and services required for the project.
The process post-construction. The process of post-construction involves the occupancy of owners that will be prepared by Engineer Gonzalez, Engineer Gaganting, Engineer Hichanova, Engineer Gakuma, and for the long-term process, the operation and maintenance, Engineer Herga have the potential with this. For knowledge in waste treatment is very crucial in this long-term process.